Hello guys, today we are talking about a very interesting thing for every student. It is very important. What is that? Okay, it's all about our inner voice. Is it really is there? Like we sound like it feels like is there something inner voice? What is that inner voice? Very simple. I will tell you. Like we all the people like when we are studying for something, generally based on the suggestion of someone, we try to develop ourselves. Someone if someone suggested you to read this book, to read that book, suppose I am there, okay, from the market, I brought this book myself. I brought this book, right? So I buy it in order to utilize this book to write something which is very important. So I will be buying many books like this. I'll also buy this kind of book that I have showed you before day. So I bought this book in order to read this book, right? In order to read this book, I have bought in the early morning. By the evening I will be going to home. My plan is to study this book for today, right? After going home, somehow while touching this book now, my hand gets like a disease, paralysis disease. As soon as my hand touches this book, my entire body will be collapsed. Whenever I remove this book now, I'll be like energized. Like these kind of two behaviors you have observed many times also during our school time, during our intermediate, during our graduation also, right? A very simple example to take test of your inner voice. For example, physically do 30 push-ups. While doing the five more push-ups, at that time your inner voice will come out like, hey, enough rep, please stop this, please stop this. Your inner voice comes out. At the same time, if you study for 1 hour now, if you study for 1 hour, immediately the inner voice comes out. Enough, I have studied for 1 hour. Like I am going to achieve something incredible. Let me get some break. That inner voice comes out. That inner voice is only controlling all of us each and every single day. Because of that inner voice only, you are not able to break any bad habit also. Even me also, I face that kind of problem every time. But at least I am trying to develop myself to take control of this inner voice. How can we do that? How can we do that? By studying someone's biography also we can do that. Especially this book, his biography, one of the most powerful person in this world. He is the ultimate strongest person in the world. He is the world's top athlete. If you read the biography of this person now, you will be feel amazed, like how can we control ourselves, like how can we develop ourselves. Like you will be learning about his life as well as you will try to develop yourself also. Hope this topic will be very useful for you. My suggestion is just to develop yourself and know about yourself. Knowing about your flaws is very important. Why I am telling again and again? Because the reason is we should always find the truth. Always we should not look for comforting things, right? So many of the people are choosing software industry. What is the reason? The only thing is having very high salaries. That is the only thing they always see. But actual truth they should know, right? So every time you have to face the truth. That is the only thing I want to make you know. Thank you guys. Please share and subscribe.